If you've ever thought that artificial intelligence sounds intimidating, like it belongs in a tech lab and not in a flower shop, well, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how AI and tools like ChatGPT can actually amplify your creativity, streamline your business, and give you more time to do what you love, which is floral design. And no, you don't need to be tech savvy. If you can send a text or if you can write an email, then you can actually use AI. We're keeping this super simple, inspiring, and totally floral. So let's dive in. This is Introduction to AI and ChatGPT for Florists. My name is Brandy Ferrer AIFD CFD TMF. And in my hometown and in the floral industry, I wear many hats and I'm very busy. I believe that floral design is not just about flowers. I believe it's about expressing creativity and connecting with our clients and other people in the floral industry. But we actually have to have the time to be able to do that. That's where artificial intelligence steps in. We'll explore how AI is transforming businesses just like yours and mine by helping flower shop owners save time with crafting emails and communications, creating marketing campaigns and social media, and also helping them keep up with the latest floral trends effortlessly. So let's embrace these new tools together, making our work not just easier, but also really fun. Before we dive in, let's go over what you're going to learn today. And I promise it's not going to be scary or super techy. So first, we're going to learn the very basics of what AI is and also go over my favorite tool to use, which is ChatGPT. Then we're going to talk about how AI is transforming businesses just like yours and mine and how it can actually save you time and money. And then I want to replace that fear with excitement and show you how these tech tools can actually make your life easier. First, imagine the ability to brainstorm fresh ideas, new color palettes, storytelling themes, all with just a few clicks. AI can do that for us. Next, consider how much faster you could draft emails, social media posts, proposals, and customer communications. This means that we connect with our clients more efficiently, allowing us to focus on what we love, which is designing beautiful arrangements. Lastly, think about the research capabilities at our fingertips and how AI enables us to instantly explore emerging floral trends, wedding color trends, and what's buzzing on social media. This information can help us stay ahead in our industry. Let's take a moment to talk about some of the biggest myths floating around about AI, especially in the floral industry. You might have heard this one. AI is going to replace floral designers. That's just not true. AI isn't here to take our jobs. It can actually empower us. If you can type a sentence, you can use artificial intelligence. And this is about working smarter, not harder. Another common fear that you have to be tech savvy to use it. But the truth is, these tools are designed to be approachable, even if you don't consider yourself a tech person. If you can Google a recipe, you can use ChatGPT. And then there's the idea that AI only creates cold, robotic results. But honestly, it's quite the opposite. AI, when prompted by you, can help generate warm, emotional, human-centered ideas that spark your creativity and connect with your clients. So instead of fearing it, let's use it to elevate what we already do so beautifully. Next up, there's the worry that AI takes away originality. But in reality, it can actually enhance it. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm fresh color palettes, unexpected combinations and creative themes that you might not have thought of on your own. Some folks assume AI is just for big companies with big budgets. But here's the truth. Platforms like ChatGPT are very affordable, accessible, and incredibly useful, even for solo florists and small studios and flower shops like ours. And finally, there's this idea that AI can't understand art or beauty. But AI isn't here to define beauty, it's here to help us explore it. It offers prompts and ideas that spark our imagination and push us creatively. So instead of seeing AI as a threat, let's start viewing it as a supportive, behind the scenes teammate, helping us work more efficiently and dream even bigger. So now let's dive into what ChatGPT really is. Think of ChatGPT as your super smart buddy that never sleeps. It's powered by artificial intelligence and is capable of chatting and answering queries just like a friend would. It can assist you in managing those pesky tasks you'd rather avoid. Imagine having someone who is perpetually enthusiastic, ready to offload half of your workload. That's ChatGPT. So, as we explore its features, remember that it's not just a tool, it's a partner in your creative journey. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It generates human like text based on the prompts you provide. So, think of it as a tool that can help you express your ideas clearly and effectively. It uses deep learning techniques and has been trained on a wide range of internet text, which allows it to generate contextually relevant responses. This means it understands the context of your request and can respond accordingly. So, whether you're drafting an email or brainstorming creative ideas, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource. In this way, it's like having a super smart assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you at any time. Now let's see how ChatGPT can serve as your 24/7 admin assistant. Let's say that you're busy creating florals for a wedding client and you need to reach out to them to get feedback on what you've already created. You can simply use a prompt like this and it will create a template for you of an email. You can also ask it after that to tweak the tone and the style of the email so that you can easily use it for different clients in the future. It's perfect for follow up emails, order confirmations, proposals, just making your communication seamless and efficient. So, whether you're reaching out to clients or confirming details, ChatGPT has got you covered, freeing you up to focus on your creative work. Here are some more practical applications that you can use ChatGPT for. So, first of all, you can brainstorm seasonal floral themes, holiday floral themes. Imagine harnessing the power of ChatGPT to help you come up with these unique ideas. This can keep your offerings fresh and exciting for your clients. One of the most helpful things that I have found, which is so time consuming, is using ChatGPT to come up with social media and marketing campaigns. It can come up with your text, your hashtags, and even generate images that can go with your social media posts. It can create templates for emails and newsletters for your clients. And then, if you are looking for new ideas for workshops or events that you can have in your shop, this is a great way to be able to brainstorm those ideas and then work through the process that you're going to need to accomplish to get those things going for your business. Artificial intelligence can serve as your creative spark. Imagine putting a simple prompt into ChatGPT, like design a floral arrangement inspired by the tropical rainforest with fantasy twist. and it will interpret that abstract theme and help you visualize something that you may not have been able to on your own. As you can see from that one simple prompt, ChatGPT has interpreted an abstract idea and it has generated color palettes, textures, line, style, even specific flowers that you can use in that floral design. And then you can give ChatGPT feedback and it will modify and change the results to fit what you are thinking of for this concrete idea. And then that will springboard your creativity and allow you to go back to the design table and create something that maybe you weren't able to visualize in the beginning. This summer at the Texas State Florist Association Expo, I am having a hands-on workshop called Secrets of AI-Powered Floral Artistry. This is the specific concept that we're going to be working on with ChatGPT, and that is creating floral designs based on the conversations that we can have with ChatGPT about these abstract ideas. So we will be able to take those abstract concepts and be able to bridge over into concrete floral designs. It's going to be very fun, challenging, but easily accessible to anyone, no matter what your skills are with technology. We can draw inspiration from the images that ChatGPT creates, the same way that we draw inspiration from the creations of other floral artists. And when we walk into museums and we're inspired by paintings or things that we see on Pinterest, these are all ways that we springboard our creativity. And ChatGPT is no different. While I never use these images and portray them as my own work, I definitely use them behind the scenes to help me visualize what it is I'm going to create. All right, now it's your turn. I'm challenging you to try ChatGPT this week if you haven't already. It's free to have an account, and I want you to just try one small thing. It doesn't have to be complicated or wild. Maybe you just want it to create a response to an email that you've received. You can have it create product descriptions for your website, or some ideas for social media for Mother's Day or the summertime. The possibilities are endless. The idea is not perfection, it's just exploration and getting used to the idea that AI can actually be your creative partner and not the tech monster that's sitting in the corner.
I provided you with two really great resources that will help you on your way to becoming AI savvy. The first one is a cheat sheet for prompts for ChatGPT, and the second one is an ebook that tells you all about what ChatGPT is, how it functions, and from the very beginning, how to create an account, and then how to start writing prompts. Feel free to pause the video at any time and use these QR codes to download the PDF documents.
Stay tuned for part 2, where we will deep dive into using AI-generated images, creating inspirational dream boards, and using AI to supercharge your next holiday or event. And in my hands-on workshop at the TSFA Expo, we will be able to put all of these things into action and actually create floral designs based on AI-generated images.